tatanong dyan?
They're just so cute, that's why, diba?
Anong gusto mong itanong?
Nasan si Little Eddie? Little Eddie's in his room, but
Siguro a survey.
feeling ko nakatulog siya.
Jet lag.
Na-jetlog siya. Na-jetlog. Na-jetlog siya.
Sample ng use.
Sample na.
I have to charge. Oops. Let's charge the phone. How do you charge this one, guys?
Halimbawa, yung vlog, ano saan pwede ka malagay habang nanonood.
Ay, mga ganyan.
So, saan natin lalagay ba? Kahit saan?
Kahit saan, pero maganda sana related sa...
Oo nga, ano kahit saan dyan? Ano ba siya?
There you go. Charging.
Dito paano kayo nagkakilala.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yung manikin na lang kaya, lagyan natin.
Sa dulo pa rin.
Saan na?
The Bully Blang, 8K na po.
Ilan na ang sinistream mga ganun?
We have 8K. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Let's go one frame. There you go.
Kahit saan?
Hindi, dun sa may...
Point, 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 point. Point, 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 point.
Ano nangyari?
Ayun. Part ba yan?
Ay, ako pala yun?
Kiss mo nga beses sa lamin lang. Oh. Uy.
Yan, dyan na.
Hindi, quiz here. Ay, question mo. Answer yan.
Ilan?
Oh my God. Okay. What do you guys want to do tonight? What do you guys... Yung sinasabi ko, tanggalangas nyo eh.
Sasagutin natin.
What do you guys want to do tonight?
4. So, 8, gano'n. M lang naman yun eh. Diba? 8.
O, 8. Or 6, 8. Tapos yung tamang sagutin yun ay yun yung text. So, for example,
Yan. Okay. May M lang. Try lang.
Tapos yun sa iba.
Hindi na?
Kasi nakala ko naman may ano.
Hindi ako na siya. Try lang naman.
Pwede nga maglagay ka rin ng end screen.
Okay,
Ano ba?
what do you guys want to do?
Kasi pag end screen,
Sige, end screen
mapapanood
ka.
nila yung ibang video.
Paper game.
For example.
Paper game.
Paano?
Paper
Para sasabihin
game.
nila yung ibang...
Ay!
Paper game.
Ay.
You guys want to see? Yeah? You want the paper game?
Ay.
Gusto ni Kuya.
I think that's a good idea.
Ano siya?
Pero gums daw yung ano.
Gums.
Hindi dikit. Ayan, tapos yan, lalabas yung most viewed mo at recent mo. So, pag tapos na sila sa video mo, pwede silang manood ng...
Secret reveal.
Ano lagay natin?
Hindi, yun na nga, yung most...
Okay, sige.
tsaka yung
Okay yan?
recent. Oh,
Meron akong secret sa level 2ers ko.
No. Ano secret mo? Tapos na?
Ano? You tell me yours and I'll tell you mine.
Hindi, I mean tapos na. Nasabi mo na. Di okay.
Yep. I got a secret.
Laban lang yan. Laban lang yan. Anong oras ka members only?
Kanina, when we were at Modern Shang.
Anong reaction mo din?
I don't know, that might be the filter, guys.
Jowa challenge.
Ha?
Kamusta ang jowa challenge?
Do my eyes look teary-eyed? Hindi naman.
Sa dito sa akin.
Wala.
Oo, medyo.
Ah,
Pero
medyo?
di ko lang alam sa... Ay, sige sa camera. Medyo.
Sa camera, no?
Oo, nag-ano ka ba? Ay, or antok ka.
Baka antok,
Ano
guys.
sa anong oras ka mag-air bukas ka mag-air?
Air what?
O today din?
8 p.m.
Pero sa members nila.
Members is live. Now. Guys, may bagong vlog.
Paano sila manonood?
Yung hiningi nyo,
nandyan?
Jowa Challenge.
Nandyan.
Yun yung intermission. So, 7:59, log out here, watch the vlog. When we come back, it's on your account. That's the intermission.
May intermission number.
May intermission number tayo, guys. Okay? Today we have a full show. It's a full show.
Anta ka na dyan sa show mo.
Yeah.
Zab.
Okay?
Tulungan ka namin. Tulungan ka namin.
So we are doing
So, kung ngayon, linggo na lang din.
Woo! Who's that? That's Rovic, my man. Rovic. Shit. That's right. So today we are doing a full TikTok
On 9,
campaign layout.
10.
7 to
9
8
na lang.
is KL. Intermission
And
on
Lil
KL's.
Eddie. Where's Lil Eddie?
Lil Eddie, I think he's
He's... He became a statue.
he-
Yung statue.
He's statue siya.
Lil Eddie became a statue in his bed.
Actually, dapat hindi muna palabi kasi mag-i-air pa siya.
So
Diba?
we're waiting for
Kailan mo ba
him.
nilagay?
So 7 to 8 is KL.
Level 2.
Then we all move to my channel because
Yan muna.
we uploaded the Jowa
Ano sa
challenge.
8 p.m.
Magiging public
So part
yun
1 is for
August
me.
18,
And then when we get back at 8:20,
Ay!
it's gonna be on
May tayo.
K8 Miss B's.
So wala ka ng
Alright.
members only.
Public po ba? It's public at 8 p.m.
Kasi pag in-air
So
ko naman,
7:59, lilipat tayo dun. Alright? I love
Hindi ka
it.
pa pwede mag-member.
We're traveling.
Members only.
We're traveling in
Pili ko na
time.
ngayon. Ano,
We're traveling
maganda pa
in
natapos
the
ko.
digital world, baby.
Pwede ako mag-start
Let's go.
8. Para tapos na sila.
TikTok trends. Okay. What TikTok
Or
trend?
9.
Anong TikTok trend na gusto nyo?
Tal US na magising pa siguro sila.
Ooh, thanks, Achi. So what TikTok trend do you guys want? Sing na po kayo.
Sing ka na daw.
Watching from Riyadh, paperless game, paper. Everyone wants the
Ano
paper
na,
game.
Ano natin, script. Where's the script?
I like the paper game too.
Yeah, ano ka na yung mga ano. Tapos ipe-present ko. Ipe-present. Ngayon hindi ka pa gumamit.
Ano pa gagawin?
Joke. Hindi, re-reviewin. Pero pag
Which challenge, guys? Paper game? Paper game. Paperless. They want the paperless game.
Ay,
paperless.
Paperless.
Mm.
Imaginary paper game.
Kailan ko mga challenge sa TikTok. Yung tayo.
Imaginary paper game. Bible challenge. What's a Bible challenge? 24-hour only Tagalog. I can do that, man. That is nothing, man.
that is so sad. Sad.
Eh, may pababa na to.
Oo nga,
Beba na
bakit parang
talaga.
naluluha
Ano?
nga yung mga-
Nambubugbog.
Is that bad? Hold on, let me check. Or pagod lang, no? Pagod lang mata?
Siguro kasi konti lang tulog mo.
Kasi,
Galing kang bataan. Tapos kanina
Yeah,
6 a.m.
that's true. That's why my eyes are watery because we came home from Bataan last
Watery.
night at
So did
2 a.m. and then I had to
Hindi
wake up
nilagay
at
ko na tanggalin
6:30 for
Kasi check ko lang kung ano yung
kada
approve.
umaga. So I've been up ever since. I'm on 4 hours
Meron
of
namang
sleep.
automatic siya gagawa. Kaya lang, nilagay ko na. Baka naman kasi
You know what? We're
ma-approve.
still gonna have some fun tonight.
Huwag mong babasahin na maririnig niya.
Did you guys already stream Unlove You?
Wala na yun.
Streaming Unlove You. The Kaldag Challenge. Let's do the Kaldag Challenge. Let's do it. KL versus Jello. Kaldag Challenge. Let's go. You guys want to see that? KL versus Jello Kaldag Challenge.
Yan na kasi.
Or Miss B versus Mr. B. Kaldag Challenge.
Yan, mas maganda yan, mas maganda yan. Yan.
And we're facing each other, right? I like that. Ang pangit nun.
Facing each other.
The Kaldag Challenge.
Okay. Sige, go.
Jello versus Francis.
Ay, ayan talaga.
Ayun, Jello versus Francis.
Pero ano, booty shake.
Time natin, sa time natin.
Booty
Hindi ka
shake.
daga.
Ito kasi.
Wala naman kung
Ano?
Maririnig.
working Working si Miss B.
Working sa Jowa Part 2.
Grabe,
Guys,
paldog sila napunit yung pisngi ko lang, guys.
di ba nagmamadali kayo, guys? Ito na, guys.
Hanggang part 3
Overtime.
yun. Hanggang part 3.
Kahit may baha.
Paldo si Mr. B.
Ay.
Umextend.
Next day.
Umextend. Pero sino nag-decision mag-extend?
Ay.
Ay.
Wala naman ako.
Baka the feeling was so good and didn't want it to end.
Ayun. I think that's...
I think
Yeah.
I just felt so good. I don't want this feeling to end.
Ay.
Kaya.
Kapag ako sa kanya to, pinaliwanag ko.
Uy, nanonood mo yan.
Ang dami kinikilig sa comment. Bilis.
Ay, may mga nanood na?
Oo, dinig.
Woo! Mary! Mary! Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Truth or dare game.
Naku. Sabi ko, ganda yung delivery.
Medyo nagtsubaka yung boses mo doon.
What naman?
English challenge.
Inano ko. Ano kasi siya, ba't nawala?
Bakit? Kaya ko naman magtagalog buong araw. Kaya ko magtagalog. What is that, Brazilian?
Turn off.
Hey, thanks for the teddy bear, Rovic. Rovic, Mary. Elizabeth Flowers.
Grabe naman yun.
That's right. Miss Pisces. Eva, me. Sit, sit, it, sit. Sit, sit, it, sit.
Alam mo yung song na yun?
I tried earlier. I made my own version. Sit, sit, it, sit, sit. Dun, 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 dun. Wala, everyone wants the paper. Everyone wants the paper game.
Bakit nakatayo?
We'll do the paper game if we get to 30,000 viewers. If we get to 30,000 viewers, we'll do paper game.
Paper game.
Paper game. Paper game.
May pwede bang quiz doon, Jello?
Ano, may
Ano?
kaldag.
Paper game. Paper game na
Kasi
kasi.
magkaharapan eh.
Paper game.
Paper game na may kaldag.
Sobrang paldo na nun.
Paper game after yung tuka, kaldag.
Ayun.
Pangit. Pangit nun. Hmm? Okay. Why? Why? Katie's in the studio.
Hello! Bakit daw siya uwi?
Tatarating lang natin.
Love you. Did you chat na kami? Promise? Kasi nga anak
Bebot trend for Miss B. Ooh, I want to see that.
Ano kayo, Bebo?
Bebot trend.
Yung parang 2000
Bebo,
makeup.
bebo.
Yung nakagalat tayong buhok.
Yung may palobong Beyonce.
Yung ginagawa ko lagi dahil. Alam mo yun, samahin ka?
May palong.
Oo, yung may palang.
Do it, do it.
Just do it.
Do it, do it, do it. Ooh. Thank you. Mag-pure. Yan. Tagalog ka tonight, Mr. B. Maliit na bagay, kayang-kaya ko yan.
Ba't basa-basa yung sofa?
Basa ba?
Hindi siya, di ba?
Ay, oo nga no.
Ba't siya basa?
I have no idea.
Oh, you're bad.
Oh, you! Your pants?
Me, it's dry na.
Okay, okay.
Why, it was wet earlier?
Wala ka sa kanina.
Baka yun yun.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Siya ngayon.
Ito mga malamig yung ano.
Bakit nga nabasa? It's like, is that the color?
Yeah, color na.
Okay. Hikaban challenge.
Oh my gosh.
You want coffee?
Ay, naku, please. Makakatipin ko.
You want tequila?
No! Hindi sasabi
That's
mo.
bowel.
Yan.
Loose bowel movement.
Mantika daw. Canola.
Mantikilya, you want mantikilya?
That's butter.
January!
Sabi niya,
Feel you.
ang sabi niya, you want
January.
mantikilya.
January!
January.
Hi, January. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Kumanta ka na lang, Mr. B. Diyan si, January. Nang tama naman siya.
Okay, sige.
Ang kanta.
January!
Baka may request siya.
Ano nangyari? Nag-air ka na ba? Ay, hindi ako makapanood.
1M! Happy 1M!
Wow, 1M na agad.
1M likes. Right here, guys, just do this. Since nakikitambay lang, let's make our fingers useful. Just like that. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. Because at 2 million
Parang
likes.
umiyak. No?
Here you go. Go. Come closer. Come closer.
I think it's the filter. Ayan.
Because ikaw din? Medyo, di ba? See, I think it's a filter too. I think so too. Look what will happen to me. It's the filter.
Doon lang ako makawalang laban. Nakita mo na ba yung gagawin natin, B?
Yung ano?
Ika-cluster mo na ba dyan?
Okay.
Para malaman na natin kung kailan natin gagawin.
Sige. Let's go. Ayusin ko na.
I heard that earlier.
Oh no, yan din.
Si Lara, antok na. Look at her. Lara is antok na. That's why she's praying. Whoa, Geraldine! Look at that.
Thank you so
Ayan.
much.
Geraldine.
Ayan.
Then,
Antok din ako, B.
it's then,
Hikapan
then,
challenge ng 5
then.
Ay, taray, Sisi. How's you, Sisi?
ZZ headband.
Busy headband.
January! Oh my!
Si Miss
Oh
January.
my God! January.
Ouch! Oo, ayoko kumain ng cake eh. Kaya ka? Kasi I have taping tomorrow. Hindi ako maka-sleep. Kaya ka? Kumain ka na. Labas.
Hi, January! Hi.
Kain ka na, B.
Who, me?
Ito.
Si B.
Sinong B ba? Kayo. Ba, baby, bobo. Ba, baby.
Abby. Okay, I'm gonna get the I'm gonna get the mic. And then andahan natin kayo. Oh, yeah.
Sarap to.
1 second,
Are
guys.
you sure?
Excuse me. Ooh, let's open our presents.
Ano ba? Saan galing yan yung mo? Mga package.
Again?
Be, pwede pa open, please.
Ay, nasan daw mga sakal para makayos.
Ano yan?
Yung mga location.
Ayan.
Excel ba yan?
Kailangan ng laptops to 5. requirements. Other talent requirements.
Wow, ang daming viewers.
Wala na yan. Ano na yan? Other talent, ibig sabihin other tao na hindi artista, pero talent, pero actor, pero hindi artista. Other talent. So wala, hindi applicable sa atin yan.
Di ba masarap?
Actually, kahit hindi mo na ganito, gawa ka na lang
Mami,
sa
pakilabas na humor mo,
Tapos,
please.
sa scene na to, wala lang mga names individual.
Ang lagay, gano'n na
Cast
lang.
na lang yung column. Tapos,
Eme.
first scene dito.
Tulog yung kalabang ko,
Scene
be.
one, tayo need
Si Little
scene-
Eddie,
scene
sleeping.
one, Jello.
Hinaman ko siya, pumunta ako dito.
Or yung sa lakad,
Sleeping-pating.
yung dalawang buwan di ba? Para Cat, Jello, okay. Yun lang, yung kasa-kasa, under the kasa, column na ano, at Jello. Kasi yun lang kailangan sa scene yun.
Sige. Pasa mo sa akin.
Oo.
Mas malinis na tignan.
Oo.
Sabihin mo na yung baby ko. Baby ko. Anong energy?
Wala pa
Kasi
tayo.
naman,
Wala
pang
mantikilya.
Walang
pantikila, walang
gasolina.
nababagsak, walang
Walang-
naglalaba. Ay!
Walang kanta. Parang energy.
What energy, mas happy.
Tare, sequences pala tawag ko yun.
Sequences. Para malaman na ano yung unahin.
Gumagano na tayo.
Diba?
Ganyan sa taping B.
Iba na tayo, ano na tayo. Dati, hello mga ganyan.
Iba, ang dami ng ano.
So, bali script muna, tapos ito.
Ilalatag mo ba yan? Ano yung magkakasama?
Okay.
Ooh, I have a new gadget.
Go, gadget.
Ay. Ay, bagong gadget.
Hi, Raquel.
Mikropono. Pag tinutok ko yung mikropono, bunganga mo.
Agad-agad kang umawit. Agad-agad kang umawit pag gano'n.
Oh my God, nakalimutan ko kainin yung ano ko, be. Be,
Ano?
yung shiratake doon.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo yung kung babaunin mo kanina.
Hindi, kinain ko yung yang chow eh.
Shiratake pa, ha? Yang chow din pala babagsak.
Itatapon na naman tuloy natin yun.
Pwede pa yun. Talagyan mo lang ulit ng water, tapos
Bukas?
microwave.
Parang hindi na.
Tsaka na. Ang dami shiratake.
I mean, you know, sayang.
Yeah.
Sayang.
Laura taking a shit.
Where's Lil Eddie? Guys, Lil Eddie is sleeping pating. He's like a pating now. Sleeping ting pating. He is a statue in the bed.
Statue sa bed.
Ay, may shoot pala tayo. Pagpatay na lang. Pag 8 p.m.
What you guys gonna shoot?
Tayo!
I know.
Guys, meron kaming live sa TikTok on Sunday. Kami ni Mr. B from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sana makasama kayo guys for Katie's products.
This is your butt tray. It's
Sa linggo Sunday kami pa. Kasi busy si Mr. B and ako din yung schedule namin, guys.
Yes, Toby.
Happy birthday! Ano daw?
Happy birthday, Tutu. Happy birthday, Tutu.
Thank you so much. Yes, abangan nyo kami sa Sunday.
Why was that so fun to us?
Yung ano.
Do you remember that?
Hindi ko alam. I don't have energy.
Why was that so funny to us?
Kasi kinakanta ni Rainier.
Ah.
Wow, ang taray ni Artista News.
Bakit?
Wala. Pinost niya yung kagabi. Kinilig daw ako sa pasalubong mong food.
Anong
Ewan.
basta pasalubong?
Ewan. Bala na siya. Kinilig sa pasalubong na food. Yung mga bling-bling mo, Mr. B, baka wala. Baka di pa magaling yung mga kasama namin dito. Je, magaling ka na ba, Je?
Medyo lumalaban pa rin minsan, pero... medyo lumalaban pa rin minsan.
Matago ni Jelly yun sa bag
Oo.
niya. Joke lang. Hi, Shalame! Tomorrow, guys, may taping tayo ng Kamao. At marami tayong scenes tomorrow. Di ba medyo naka-ayos tayo ng very late kasi may pupuntahan sana kami kanina kaso dahil sa sobrang cancel. Nakikipaglabanan tayo dito sa Comsec, no? Tama. Hello, Mom, Dad. Nakakaduling lang lalo Baka maagang masira ang ice.
Dati nakita mo yung isang cellphone ko? Yung isang cellphone, kulay orange.
Si Katie nandun sa studio, guys.
Tapos ka na dyan, pwede pa po at least.
Ay, ano to? Kailan sila matatapos daw, Chris? Dun sa sa baba.
Sa gym?
Tapos na sila doon?
Darwin? No. They have to wait for...
Kuya Randy.
Diba? Cellphone? Yep.
Sino po? Hi, Reels.
The audio, man, is still setting
Hi,
up.
KKK fam. Ang dami nakatambay Guys, kung meron mga naka-level 2 dito, may naka-ready na po si Mr. B na bagong vlog sa level 2 at para naman sa ipapublic po niya ng 8 p.m. tonight.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Team KH. Alright, let's see if we got juice.
Check, 1, 2.
Ay, ganda.
Check, 1, 2, 3.
Ay, parang babagsak na din yung mata ko.
Four.
Labanan mo yan. Ang dami
Parang
kasi ako
nakakaano
kinain.
dito sa niya, B.
Hindi, actually, kasi wala pang nangyayari masyado.
Ayan na. Pag may ano na, may
Kung may
angkor.
action na, nagigising ka na yan.
Paano yung action? 10.
Ten,
10.
Gusto mo ito daan sa ilalim na lang. Kasi pag dito pa ka.
Ay, sige.
Diba? Chick.
Ayan.
Pakuha.
Ano po? Ano yan?
Ay, sorry.
Guys, si Lil Eddie nagsisleep siya, guys. Wala siyang energy. At parang nahahawa na din ako.
Is it sleepy vibes?
Sabi ko lang wala pang nangyayari kasi. Pero pag umano na yan,
Marangkada.
umarangkada na yan. Guys, para magising naman, baka naman,
Hi, Lovey. Yes. Come here.
Ano oras ako uwi?
Kaya nga eh. Teka,
Magla-live pa kayo.
Lovey, smile ka naman.
Mama, ano oras tayo uwi?
Ano oras tayo uwi?
Ako.
Ikaw, ano oras mo gusto?
Ngayon sana.
May magatid kay Katie?
Si Kuya Bal. Mama, gusto ko na kasi umuwi.
Okay po.
Naka 1 hour na ako dito eh. Di ba usapan natin 7?
Yes po, hug mo naman po ako.
Is it 7
I
ba?
love you.
7:27.
Oh, so you went overtime?
Yes.
I love you. Wow! Si January! Thank you. Say,
Oh my God.
Katie, can you say thank you?
What was it?
Thank you, January. Say
Oo
thank you,
daw.
January.
Thank you,
Dinosaur ba?
January.
Lion.
Ano yung lion? Ay, lion!
Thank
That was a
you,
lion?
January! Ayan, nagising na.
Nagising
Street and Lion.
Kasi sabi niyo,
Eh,
inaantok kayo eh.
Baka mabagsak yung anong that one.
Ay, sorry. Ito.
Hindi, I mean, baka mabagsak. No? Di man.
Grabe. Miss January.
January!
January.
She's trying to get the party started.
Nakita niya kasi si Katie.
Oh, ito ba yung nakakonect dyan? Parang, no?
Parang po.
So, let's do
Parang po.
So, let's do...
Buti na lang
Cute
nakaayos.
naman.
Buti na nga lang nakaayos. Next time paalam ka. Paano ko
Yeah.
Singnan mo. Hindi ako nakapagising. Singnan mo. Tingnan mo. Kiki, oh.
Aww.
Sumasabit siya, please. Hello, everybody. I love you, everybody. Thank you, January. Juicy Alago. Yes, anak. I have taping. Maaga.
Grabe na lang.
7 a.m. Chris! Nakampas tuloy kita! Ayan!
Nakakaluga ako.
Naghahanap siya ng makakagising, di ba? So,
Grabe
that's
yan.
it,
Gabi
guys.
din, guys. Ang galing
I wish nagising ka talaga.
galing ni Sir Chris siya talaga ang life of the party.
O, di ba nahampas kita? Ayun tayo.
Okay lang, kasi nagising
It's
ka
a
daw.
love tap.
Classic.
Sabi ko sa inyo, nangahampas ako pag nagugulat eh.
Mali-mali siya, guys. Mali-mali.
Buisit!
Gift, sabi ko, anong gift yun na ang gulat?
Di ba?
Pati rin sila nagulat.
Alam.
Ang tuwa siya ng gulat.
2 million na the heart mo, Sir Chris.
Ha?
2M na, 2M.
You like that? Because I like it.
Ay,
Ay.
magulat pa siya more.
Gulat ako na sa CR ako.
Kahit ikaw.
Nagulat ka, anak?
Naiihi ako.
Okay, go.
I love you.
Kiss me, Kate.
Emergency to. Yung pag-iwi na emergency daw. Emergency to.
She's the cutest little thing.
All right, guys. What song do you guys want to hear today? Kaya ba nagulat? Because that was the point.
Evil.
Sa GG. Parang nagnaman kasi nakita parang ang random naman sinasabi ng group ng kaibigan.
Magamit ko ngayon sa mga next na ano. Kailangan may ma-victimize din ako using that sound.
Nice.
Wait, kid? Pwede nood ka na. Ano to?
Statue. Let's do statue. Let's see. Tugtungin natin tapos let's see if ano.
Nood ka na pala dito.
Let's see kung magigising siya.
Nakita ko nandito sa ano eh.
Kala nyo, no?
Ato! Go! Ano sana eh? Meron na Ayan ang thank you for you, dali! Sige tama na lang. Kaya tayo Go! Tigil ka naman kayo! Yan, hindi nila alam yung dance eh.
Mamaya, mag-practice kami. Parang mahirap to, no? Dapat mas upbeat.
Ano mas arbit? Ah! Aray! Relax ka na ng guys. Pag matalamay.
you fast to save my love. I'm the luckiest man alive.
Which one is it? Oh, this one. Ready? Are you ready? Come on. We know this one. Sit. Ready? 1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Closed off from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true, and everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the pain that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding love. Oh, you cut me open and I'm trying hard not to hear, but they talk so loud. This sounds feel
Yeah! January!
nothing's greater than the rush that comes with your embrace. And in this world of loneliness, I see your face. Yet everyone around me thinks that I'm going crazy. Baby, yeah. I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the pain that I keep on closing. Oh, you cut me open and straining on me. Though they find it hard to believe, I'll be wearing these scars for everyone to see. With you, they try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the pain that I keep on closing. Oh, you cut me open and
Pwede na mag-edit na minimize.
Dance number ka pala ngayon. Dance number siya, guys.
Man, you know,
there's always that one person that will always have your
Bakit nandito na person yun?
You never see it.
don't be mad, don't hate me, guys. I'm actually starting to like A9 music.
You're the one
Don't hate me.
for everyone to see. Oh, baby, you will always be my boo. Oh, it's the only way you know how to rock. first kiss. 'Cause I remember, girl, I was the one that put your lips like this. Even before all the pain and people screaming your name. Girl, I was there. You were my baby. Started when we were younger. You were mine. None of us taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Even though we used to argue, it's alright. And I know we haven't seen each
Ano yan?
other in a while.
8.
But you
Ano yun?
always be my boo.
Gotcha, para no maparan. So, ito. Ano? Uwi na siya? Nakasan ka? Uwi ka pa talaga, baka.
5? Oh, sige. 5. 5:30. 5:30. Bye, Toti! Say bye, Toti! Dang, these robots can sing. Guys, we have 18 minutes and then lipat tayo sa red. Alright?
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place will be much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try.
Hi, December. Hi, January.
Hello, February, March, April, May, June, July! Woo! Thank you! Thank you!
Feel the world.
December!
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying for the living. Make a better place for you and for me.
January! Thanks, Mom! Mom.
There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong. It only cares for joyful giving. Giving. This place we cannot hide. Your dream. Stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Everyone's contagion will reveal the joy
You know?
will fade.
No, I won't.
Will shine like an embrace. Then why do we keep strangling life for this earth crucified soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly.
Thank
We
you!
can fly so high that our spirits never die. My heart, I feel like you are on my riders. Create a world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. Oh, we could really get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world.
Guys, I'm gonna have to listen to something next, okay? guys hear a new version of something, okay? You wait for me. Thank you, April!
Tingnan niyo sa boy.
Jim!
Tingnan niyo sa boy.
Oh, low battery.
Let me be here for you.
Tingnan niyo sa boy. Patay mo yung sleep na. Of course.
Is your love
Happy birthday.
it needs to know. Letting in a world of fools, breaking us down, and they all should never be. It belongs
Time siya bababa.
to you
Ando na ba?
and me.
Okay daw kami. Andun
Oh, 7 minutes, guys! And lilipat tayo sa red app. Okay?
Mama? Yes, baby. Isipin ko kung papasok pa ako bukas. Wala nang pasok. Next year. Isipin ko muna. Ako. Kasi parang gusto mo. Opo, kasi ayoko na mag-absent eh. Kasi ako.
Very good. High five. I love it.
Siya ba?
Guys,
Kasi ayoko na mag-absent.
si Katie, she loves her school. So,
Ayaw na
palakpakan
daw niya
natin.
mag-absent.
Hey! Thank you, Kai. Palakpakan naman natin si Katie kasi she loves her school and she did a quiz and she got 20 out of 20. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Thank you, January.
I love you, baby. Are you gonna bring this?
Congrats daw, Katie. Say thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, let's sing one song. Bilang nasa 3.3 million likes tayo. Let's go, guys. Request. One request, guys.
It's been a message, let me ready to taste.
Enjoy ka muna this year, ha? Tayo ka na.
Forever, lady in red. You want lady in red? Okay.
Yes.
Let's do that, guys.
I love you.
Can Papa have a kiss? Bye-bye. Such a sweet little girl. Never thought you were gonna say, lady in brown for you. Okay, 3 minutes, one song, and then we move to. What song do you guys want? Key.
This year, I'll enjoy po. Po, ha? Tapos next year, wala. Kala ko ayaw mo na nang wala. But next year, this year, mag-enjoy po ako. Isipin ko pa, Okay po.
Let's do.
Pinat is a boy.
How about this one? Did we do this one last time? All I ask, or if I can get die with a smile. You wanna sing
Boy,
die with a
si
smile?
Pina.
You wanna sing die with a smile?
Kuya, nandiyan ka lang ba sa baba?
Taas.
Paano sila?
What is?
Ano lang daw siya?
Ayun na. Bye-bye, anak. Love you.
Kiss Papa.
Bye.
Love you.
Ay, ito. Anak. Ay, opo. Pero yung slime sa inyo nadalhin, ha?
Ayun.
One more.
Nanghina na si Jello.
Hindi.
Malapit na tayo set natin.
Agad.
Ano nangyayari sa natin?
What we're feeling is right now. So baby, let's just turn down. One love that tries, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss you naked. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me now, girl. Yeah. So, I'll take the night and watch it fall. When I kiss your neck and shoulders, now don't be afraid to show it all. If I get ready to hold you, girl, you know you're perfect from your head down to your wheels. Don't be confused by my side. I ain't never been more free. So just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that chance, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till the day. December. Versace on the floor. Robin. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Yeah.
Sayang naman kung i-out ko to, number 1 daw. Guys, let's go. Number 1 sa live.
Go lang.
Sayang.
Tuloy mo pa. Extend mo pa.
Ayan na, parang umiyak. Tayo umiyak. Ano ba yung ano natin? Effects. Chris.
1, 2, 3.
It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it, baby? Oh, you seem like you're ready for more, more, more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Ooh, Versace on the floor. Oh, let go, let go. Oh, you know what we should do? Alrighty guys, maraming salamat. Domingo gozaimasu. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch it together.
Oh, ayan na, 8 na.
Ay, nakasmile siya, babe.
Ay,
Jowa ko.
hindi sila manonood dun. Diyan lang.
Ay,
My girlfriend. Teaser.
on the red app, guys, right now, right now.
Yeah, boy.
Diyan ka lang talaga mapanood.
Teaser lang.
Ah! Ay,
Madam, bagong-bago. Amoy bago pa talaga. Mukhang hindi nagamit.
Talagang inamoy ko yung shoes. Hindi ko alam kung nagamit na.
Hello, everybody. Kamusta? Mr. D is here.
Ay,
Dapat medyo Korean ganyan pangyarian. Tapos nag-slow mo. Mr. B is here.
이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 손들이 난 더 이상 하고
Naging aso. Ang daw. Pantitake kami, guys. Pantitake kami, guys. Ikaw
Okay,
talaga, ma'am.
the rest you can go to the red app, and then you can come back because we're still gonna be live. Okay?
Yes. And, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Wala maglilinis ata siya ng...
Teaser lang, teaser.
So you guys can go to the red app. Oops.
done watching na daw.
Done watching? You're not done watching.
Baka
Oh
lang.
yeah,
Ano
baka
lang
no.
eh.
Yes.
Sabay daw sa live. Pinahirapan daw sila, sabay nanonood. Saan daw siya manonood?
Litong-lito na.
Sa TikTok daw, wala pang replay. Ang lamig, Chris. Parang jacket.
Sure.
Yung
I got
ginawin
you.
mong tsahin.
Got you.
Ang lamig.
Yung lamigin mong chang.
Pahiram ng blanket.
Hindi ko.
Ay, ito?
Blanket.
Ito na daw, Chris.
Ang kagabi.
Pahiram.
Or jacket na para sa
Ayan,